morning and welcome. 28th of December, and it's just after 6 o'clock. Overnight, we've seen a little bit of weakness on the US dollar across the board, and a little bit of strength coming through on the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc. Right, we'll start off with the AUD USD. We've actually got above the resistance last night, so the AUD is continuing upwards. It's at 77.9. It's nearly at 78. So just move this up a little bit to the 78 and see how it gets over that. Right, you can see by putting the trend line up, it's kept us out of the trade. I got this trade in yesterday, and we've got up over the 69.1 on the RSI. And I'm expecting it to sort of break up and then break back down, which will give us a sell signal. The pound US dollar, again, a little bit of strength in this pair, weakness in the dollar, and you know, I'm not expecting a lot more upside on this. We have commercial short ratio of 1.39 to 1, and we've just raised up a little bit on the RSI. So I'm expecting that to come back down. USD Canadian dollar. Again, as you see, I put a trend line on the RSI. I'm waiting for this to move down and then break back up. So we've come nicely out of the range. It's been ranging for the last few weeks, and this, whoops a daisies, and this has come nicely out the range, broke down to recent lows, and we'll see how far it goes, but it's a good buy at this level, but we're going to wait for a break back up before we enter. It is getting a little bit of support just here, so move this down. Top of that candle there, nice big down run we've got there, but we'll see where that goes. Euro, US dollar, disappointed to see more strength this morning. We're back up to recent highs. The RSI is pointing up. We've got a short ratio of 1.63 to 1, which is a 5-year extreme. So I am expecting downside in this. As I said, we're up to recent highs. I don't see there's much more up in this. We're at 1.1928. We'll see where it goes to, but there you go. US dollar, Japanese yen. You can see here with this red candle, a little bit of strength in the yen and a bit of weakness overnight in the dollar. We've got commercials ratio of 5.53 to 1 long on this pair, and we have actually just come down below the 50 on the RSI, which is a nice move. US dollar, Swiss franc, same again. You can see there's a little bit of strength has come through on the Swiss franc and weakness on the dollar, and that's given us these three nice candles down. We've got a commercials ratio long of 4.63 to 1. We are well below the 50 on the RSI, which is nice. We're at 43.1 at the moment, and I see more downside coming through for that. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We've seen strength on this over the last 3 or 4 weeks, and we've had a nice candle up, breaking this resistance yesterday. So we'll see how far this can travel before it comes back down. By now, I think we ought to be looking up here for a little bit of resistance. So we'll see how far it goes, but that's quite interesting. Again, with silver, weakness in the dollar gives you a rise in the price of silver. We've moved up really nicely. We're just above this resistance on the RSI. This is recent highs, and we'll see how far that goes. It'd be nice if it broke the 69.1 before coming back down sharply. We'll see how that develops. And this is the DXY. Again, we've put a trend line on. It's moving nicely down. What we want to do is buy it on the way back up. So we'll see where that goes to. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. That's all for today. Hopefully see you again tomorrow. Cheers, bye.